What is going on, everyone? Jordan Anderson here. Today, I'm going to show you real quick how to set up SamCart's new Pixel 2.0 over on the Facebook Meta side and inside your SamCart settings. SamCart, I believe, has the best tracking when it comes to tracking your purchases, page views, all that kind of stuff. What's really nice about it is you can customize any metric that you want. You can, inside your SamCart settings, you can customize tons of stuff that you want to track. The downside of it before all this is that you have to get it exactly right. You have to put in the exact right code in order for SamCart and Facebook to track your purchases properly. So we have fixed that with the new, over here in your settings in your general tab, this right here. So this is a Pixel ID. You're going to add your Pixel ID right here, and this will handle everything for you. It'll handle page views, tracking conversions, tracking purchases, tracking upsells, add to orders, order bumps, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to show you how to set it up real quick. So I'm here in my settings, general settings, and I need to go grab my Pixel ID. So I have my Facebook ads account over here. I've got my Meta Pixel. I'm in the event side. You want to go to data sources. You want to find the pixel that you want to track. And then over here in dataset ID, you're going to click and copy that Pixel ID. And then you're going to go back over to SamCart and paste it. And then you're going to hit save changes. And that is it. You are officially now tracking everything that you need to track on SamCart, and all that data is going to be sent over to Facebook so that you can run your ads properly and actually see how much you're spending and how much you're actually making. That's as simple as it is. So we're going to do a test event real quick. So I'm going to go to my products. I'm going to go and grab my first product here. This is my Killer Closed Captions product. I'm going to set it to test mode, and you can do this on test mode, and Facebook will actually get this data. We're going to see if Facebook can read the data. So I'm going to save changes here. I also want to make sure that if I already have an existing SamCart account, if I have an existing SamCart product, I want to go to my advanced settings, and I want to make sure that any kind of Facebook code, any kind of Facebook pixel tracking, here we've got some Facebook pixel script here. I'm going to delete that, remove all that, because what can happen is Facebook and SamCart will kind of double count the activity. So you want to make sure you don't have any Facebook Meta pixels inside the product itself. And with that, I'm going to go to Checkout Anywhere, go to Express, copy the URL. Let's go here. And all right, everything looks good. I've got a little discount code, so I'm going to do a quick test here. So I'm going to take this URL. I'm going to go over to Facebook. I'm going to do test events. And I'm going to add my URL here to test out. Going to open it up in a kind of SamCart. I'm going to, since this is all in test mode, I'm not going to get charged. So I'm just going to add my SamCart Anderson. This. And then since I'm doing test mode, I can just do 4242, 4242, 4242. Got to be in the future. 42, and then zip code 424242. Okay. Everything looks good. I'm gonna hit enroll now. SamCart's going to process my test purchase. I have an upsell on this side too, so I just want to show you an upsell test as well. I'm going to add to cart. And you can even see over here, my little Facebook pixel purchase thing is going off as well. So that all looked like it went through. I've got my new $98. So $98, that purchase information, that purchase value should be sending back to Facebook. So we're going to go back to our events manager here. And as you can see, all of this was tracked. This is all this lovely data that we want to track, that we want to send back to Facebook. So see page view for my checkout page. The button was clicked that I wanted to purchase it. The button for the upsell was clicked as well. I added my payment info. I viewed the upsells page, check. That's what I clicked. Yes, I want to buy the upsell. And then the purchase data, value $98 USD. I can click more and I can see which products were bought. Test product number 2, Killer Closed Caption, quantity 1, quantity 1. And then the page view itself on the order summary that it went to the thank you page. That is it. That's the entire setup. It is super fast, super easy. And one last thing I want to add. If you have a custom thank you page or a redirect, instead of just going to the classic SamCart order summary right here, that you want to add this right here. Fire pixels before redirect. So all the information is going to get sent back to Facebook or back to Google before you go to your custom thank you page. That way, you're not having to make sure that the code is over on the thank you page and on your SamCart page. We got it all taken care of right here for you. My name is Jordan Anderson. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you on the next one.